Namaste, everyone. Diwali, the festival of lights, is finally here. It's that magical time of the year when our homes glow with diyas, our heart filled with joy, and the air smells of delicious sweets and festive meals. And what's Diwali without some homemade mithai? In today's video, I'm making one of my favorites, soft and rich Besan Laddoos. So stay tuned till the end to see how you can make this classic sweet right at home. Today we are making soft and melt in your mouth Besan Laddoos. I have taken 2 cups of coarse gram flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, a cup of ghee at room temperature, 2 spoons of milk, and about a teaspoon of cardamom powder. Simple ingredients, but when they come together, the aroma and taste are amazing. We'll begin by adding 1.5 tablespoon of ghee and a spoon of milk to the gram flour. Mix it all together, then gently rub it with your palms so the flour is nicely coated. This is what gives our laddus that rich, grainy texture. I am using a large sifter here. Make sure you don't pick a small one because we want that coarse texture. Gently sift the flour, rubbing it through with your fingers. If there's a little left on top, just press it through lightly. We want everything nice and even. As you can see, the flour now has a nice grainy texture. That's exactly what we are looking for. In a pan, take some ghee and add the sifted flour. Start mixing it well and make sure you are using a heavy bottom pan. Also, cook this on a low flame because if you cook it on a high flame, the color of the besan will change, but it won't cook the way we want. Continuously keep stirring and make sure there are no lumps. You might think there's not enough ghee at first, but as it starts cooking, it will release its own ghee and the besan will become fluffier. After cooking for a few minutes, you can see the difference from when we started to now. Look at the color and texture. It's very fluffy and has taken on a slight reddish color. This is how you know the besan is perfectly cooked and ready. Now I'm adding some saffron milk little by little. Be careful, it's going to bubble up like a little volcano. Mix it well. Make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Now that our mixture is cooked well, switch off the flame and transfer it into a different pot because the pan is still hot and it will keep cooking. Let it cool completely before we move to the next step. Now that our besan mixture has completely cooled down, add the cardamom powder. To this, I'm adding the sugar and mixing it very well until the sugar is fully incorporated. Let the mixture rest for a few minutes before you start shaping the laddus. As you can see, I made this mistake and didn't wait. So you might notice that my laddus aren't perfectly round. This Diwali, do try making this for your family. Enjoy and let me know in the comments how you and your family celebrated. I'll try to share in my next video how we celebrated our Diwali. Wishing you all a very happy Diwali and a prosperous year ahead. Bye for now.